Hi, this threat modeling tool can be a little quirky, so I thought I'd just give you some tips. I'd start left to right. So first of all, we need a browser and ActiveX plugin. If you go to the process over here in the stencils, you'll see browser and ActiveX plugin. So click and drag to the left. There you go. You can position it as you like. What do we need? A web server. Go back to the same process tab here. Put a web server on there. I like to line them up. Click them and to drag. What else? We need HTTPS data flows. So from your stencils, select flow. There's HTTP, HTTPS. We need one of those. This is one of the places where it gets a little quirky. You have to make sure which way your arrows are going, because it changes the nature of the underlying system. So this one goes from the browser to the web server. We also need one that goes from the web server to the browser. So we'll start that one here, drag it over here, and you can change these arcs as you like. What else? Database. So it's not a flow, it's a store. There you go. Is it SQL? Yes, it is. So we need a SQL database here. Again, make it look kind of nice. There's good. We need data flows from that. And I don't think there are any that say they're actually from a SQL node. So we're just going to use a generic data flow. Pop that on there. Again, being careful with the arrows. We want them both coming and going. Now we don't want it called generic data flow, so we'll come down here to the properties, highlight where it says generic data flow, and type in SQL commands. There it is. Okay, we also need one going the other way from the database to the web server, and we're going to call that one database responses, DB responses. Okay, lastly, we need a barrier, or rather a boundary around part of this boundary, and we're just going to use the corp.net one because it's easy to do. So click the corners to make it as large as it needs to be, and that should be your basic diagram. If you've done this correctly, when you go up here to view analysis view, you're going to see the threats, the vulnerabilities, and that's the group that you want to start with. So come up here, put your last name in under owner. Can't spell my name. There you go. Save it and then save it. And then continue on with the exercise. Let me know if you have any problems. If not, have fun with it.